If you're feeling tired, overwhelmed, or weighed down by pain or worries, take a moment to pause. Breathe. Let yourself break away from the cycle of thoughts, even if just for a little while. Right now, immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty of the sea, a sanctuary of peace and healing. Feel the soft, warm sand beneath your feet. Hear of the waves, steady and calming. Notice the sunlight dancing on the water, or the moonlight casting its silvery glow. Let the colors, sounds, and movements of nature draw you in, easing your mind and soothing your body. If you're carrying pain, physical or emotional, let the ocean's vastness remind you that you are part of something greater. The waves teach us that nothing is permanent. Troubles, like the tide, will come and go. For now, let the sea's rhythm carry you. Notice the starfish resting in the shallows, their vibrant colors a reminder of beauty in stillness. Watch the tiny crabs scuttle across the sand, their playful movements a symbol of life's simple joys. Close your eyes if you need to, or let the visuals carry you away. Imagine yourself here in this place of serenity. Feel calm, feel relaxed, feel free. You deserve this. You deserve peace. Let the sea remind you of that.